Hey guys, I just wanted to shoot a quick follow-up video to my toe in, toe out measuring video, because surprisingly there's some discussion about center line that's happening in this video, that everybody's telling me that I didn't find the center line and I was supposed to find the center line, and now I don't know if I have toe in or toe out, because the two wheels could be parallel but still not be correct. And I agree 100% with that, and I even said it in my video. I know this is going to tell us only whether the two wheels are parallel or not, but if they're parallel, that doesn't mean that everything is perfect. They might be parallel, but one can have toe in, the other one can have toe out, and they're still parallel, but they are not parallel to the axis of the car. So okay, I called it axis, I didn't call it center line, but I believe it's the same thing. So why didn't I find it then? Well, because I don't think I needed it. Yeah, I know it sounds controversial, but that's what I mean. What is the center line of the car? The center line is the line that divides the car in two. But especially on vehicles that have a body on frame, we are more interested in the frame, right? Not in the body, because the body might be sitting crooked on the frame, it might be twisted or whatever, but what we are concerned about is the suspension, which is mounted on the frame. So because some people also started giving me ideas how to find the center line based on the boot lid and gas cap in the middle. No, I'm not interested in the body of the car. I'm interested in the frame and specifically on the wheels. So if this is the front of the car and this is the back of the car, the center line is the line that divides this distance in two, right? Divides the axis between these wheels and between these wheels in two. And everybody says that I have to run a string and mark a line on the floor so I can measure where I had my jack stands here. I could measure the distance from here to here and the distance from here to here, and that would tell me whether I have toe in or toe out on my rear wheels. And that's correct, I agree 100%, but there's more than one way to skin a cat. So what I did in my video, instead of extending this center line backwards, I extended it forward, and I found two objects that are equally spaced from the center line, and these are the front wheels, because the center line divides the space between the front wheels in two and the rear wheels in two, so we know that our front wheels are equally spaced from the center line. So what I did is I measured whether the line that is parallel to my rear wheel on the right side and the line that's parallel to my rear wheel on the left side are equally spaced from the wheels. So if they're equally spaced from my wheels, they are equally spaced from the center line. That's my point. So I did find the center line without finding it. So I agree 100% with you guys. I need a center line, and I found it without finding it. Okay, I agree. I should have explained that in the video why I was doing what I was doing, but I thought it was pretty obvious. So like I said in the video, I divided it in two parts. In the first part, I determined whether the rear wheels are parallel or not. I said it clearly. I know that they might be parallel but not correct, but we're gonna figure out a different way after that to find if they are parallel to the axis of the car or not, and we found that the left wheel was not parallel. So I hope I'm clear now. So thanks for watching. Bye.